Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, I mean, we are sitting at a Fibonacci extension level, and just based on the pattern, it would make sense for me if this did go down and start a corrective pattern for like a big giant wave B, which would be a pullback to this whole move up. But we definitely cannot deny that this is all higher lows the whole way up, and we are still in an uptrend. And when you're in an uptrend, the possibility is always greater that it just keeps on trending, at least until you get a significant lower high or a break of structure down. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, that means anything we see to the downside could potentially just be a pullback within an uptrend. Now that we got this new swing high right here, we can say that this is the most significant structure. If it breaks below this structure with momentum and actually holds below structure, then at that point I would start looking for shorts with much more confidence. But right now it kind of looks like impulsive down, very, very corrective up, maybe 78% fib bounce, maybe impulsive down again, either to test structure or maybe make a higher low and then just continue the uptrend. But like I said, if it breaks structure, I'll be more than happy to start looking for shorts after the break of structure and after the first pullback. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.